When was the last time a tool holder blew up in your face? We'd really like to know. We bet you got some real funny stories to tell. Never? Well, congratulations, because that happens more often than you think. However, it doesn't even have to get to the point where your machine inventory turns into disoriented projectiles. Often, impairments show up much earlier and have a direct impact on performance. Let's take the vexed subject of the pull-in forces of clamping systems in tool spindles. Just because a CNC machine clamps doesn't mean it will work properly. Often you'll find that you can't perform the same operation on different machines, or the tool life is better on one than another. Whether it's a new machine or an old one, the answer often can be found in reduced clamping force. So let's talk about clamping force. As you know, the tool clamping mechanism in the tool machine spindle not only connects the elements themselves, but also provides significant rigidness and usability. Like any other mechanism, sadly this is subject to wear. That's why it gets inspected regularly. Ultimately, repairing the spindle can result in expensive downtime that can range from a few days to several weeks. So doesn't it seem obvious to make sure you wouldn't have to repair the thing in the first place? The best way to achieve this is a combination of maintenance, monitoring and regular feed force measurement. Safecontrol 4.0 is our electronic system for measuring the pull-in forces of clamping systems in machine tool spindles. Different standard adapters allow the optimal force measurement of different tool holding types as HSK, Capto, ISO and so on. The handling is simple and straightforward, as confirmed by the feedback from our customers. It enables the measurement and display to be carried out quickly and accurately. The measuring rate is from 0 to 100 kilonewtons. Safecontrol and monitoring, the salt and pepper of quality assurance. The electronic measuring system is an important part in quality assurance. However, it only becomes particularly effective when integrated into a predictive maintenance process, for example, as part of the MySolutions monitoring. The following scenario. A worker measures numerous machine spindles with the Safecontrol and associated app. The data is now on the mobile end device. However, he wants to feed the data into the centralized monitoring system as quickly and easily as possible. No problem, because in MySolutions monitoring the activities are automatically logged and archived. In addition, external documents can be stored in the document management system, DMS. Just as salt tastes best with pepper, our Safecontrol works best in combination with monitoring. Everything at the push of a button. From the data read out live by Safecontrol 4.0, detailed print reports or reports as templates, for example for QS documents, can be created at the push of a button. In conclusion, Safecontrol 4.0 serves to safeguard service life of components and machines, in combination with powerful maintenance systems such as the MySolutions monitoring. In addition, the system network protects against increased tool and machine wear. On top, it achieves the safeguarding of machining quality, higher and above all consistent accuracy, the reduction of scrap rates and downtimes, and a significant increase in work and process safety. By using smart tools and predictive maintenance technologies, subjective guesswork is eliminated and the frequency and duration of downtime is reduced. Why not get in touch to find out how we can apply our technology-based approach to maintenance to your processes and visit us in our showroom? See how to get to us in this video. Is the journey too long for you? Or don't you have time right now? No problem. You can also just contact us by email or phone without any obligation. We would be very happy if you leave this video a like. Subscribe to our channel for more videos about technology and industry. If you've got any questions or notes, just drop a comment. There are also a lot of interesting things to discover on our social media channels. Check it out. Have a great day and we'll see you there.